Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to disable your keyboard mouse if you have problems or issues that it moves alone or some problems and you want to disable it. Today I'm gonna show you how. I looked for some tutorials and I've seen some forums, but the solutions they suggested didn't resolve my problem, so I was looking until I found the solution. You come here to the search panel and write settings. This one will appear. Click and home. You will write touch pad settings, and here it will appear in the right side. You will click additional settings. Welcome to advanced feature settings and device selected. Here is this one you can disable and enable. Like as you see here is the keyboard pointer. So this one you disable it. If I click apply now, I can't move my cursor using this keyboard pointer. Now if I enable it and apply, I can move it with this, like this. I disable it because I have a problem in the keyboard. In the pointer it moves alone. So, and that's the tutorial. Thank you for watching and goodbye.